We have a caller joining us. I believe it's Raj from Bengaluru. Hi, Raj. How can we help you on the show today?
Very good morning, ma'am. Good morning to all the panel members. I have a question regarding a MobiKwik, which was recently listed, and I bought 7,500 shares
Right.
at the rate of 653, madam.
Okay. So was there a
Um,
reason behind this listing that you were interested in? Was it on the fundamental
so
reason?
I would like to know the perspective. Since I am sitting on loss, I wanted to know whether it will rise up to the invested amount or how it will go in the near future, madam.
Okay, let me take this across to Avinash for you because since the technical information for this would be limited. Avinash, what is your view for something like one MobiKwik?
No, I think, see, the stock was priced at 278 rupees, and the stock had a very stellar kind of listing. So I think, normally investors buy the stock on listing. My only suggestion is that if the investor wants to make money in this new age kind of stock, I think he's got to give in at least the next couple of years. It cannot be a short-term call because valuations are rich, and I think there's no doubt about it that the company is one of the profitable, fintech startups. So obviously payment business is a very large opportunity in India. So I think if you can give in the next 12 to 18 months and hold on, I think the company will be presenting its December quarter for the first time. In all probability, the numbers are going to be quite solid. The management commentary is also quite is expected to be positive, but I think expecting an immediate bounce will take some time because normally what happens is you have anchor investors also selling their stocks in the next 1 month or 2 months, and that obviously increases selling pressure in the near term. So I think long-term prospects are good, but I think he needs to give in a long-term call if he needs to make a decent risk reward here.
Yeah, and recover ground from what he's lost. Absolutely. Thanks, Avinash, for that view. Hopefully that answers your question. We've got Anish, who's writing in from Mavelikira in Kerala, and he's got JSW Energy that he's bought at levels of 630. 100 shares is what he's bought, Kush. He's bought it 2 weeks back, and he's wondering whether it's a good stock to hold for a 1-year time frame. What are the prospects on the charts?
Well, at least from the near-term perspective, they're not very encouraging because if you see the stock has seen a bit of a sharp correction on the back of very strong volumes. All key averages taken out today. Also, right now as we speak, the stock is at the low point of the day. Now, the silver lining, if at all we're looking for one, is that it's reaching oversold territories. So from about 550 odd levels, there could be a rebound that the stock could well see. So from a near-term perspective, it's only a rebound play. Now, as far as the view for about 12 months goes, fairly similar. Is that the slightly deepish kind of a support zone comes in at 525. If that is respected, the stock could start the upward trajectory again after a bit of a correction and move towards levels of the first one is 680. Then you're looking at a 700 kind of a move as well. So hold 12-month horizon. Then the stop loss comes in at 525.